Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by priming the body. 5-10 minutes of dynamic hip and ankle mobility, then sink into a compact fighting stance. Once stable, shift weight to the front leg about 60/40 and lift the rear knee straight to hip level. This chamber stores potential energy and protects your balance. Make sure to keep the toes pointed and hands up. Now initiate the first deliberate lift with a short, explosive breath, because controlled intent produces a faster, cleaner kick. You drive power from the hip, push the knee forward and extend the lower leg in one coordinated chain. As you extend, rotate your hips about 30 to 45 degrees to add torque. Make sure the front foot pivots to release joint stress. Aim the strike with the ball of the foot or in step depending on target. Eyes stay on the target to refine accuracy. Once done, snap the lower leg and exhale sharply on contact, because tension and breath timing amplify speed and force. You finish by retracting. Pull the knee back straight and bring the foot down to the ball first, then settle into your stance so balance is immediate. Bend both knees on landing to absorb force and maintain readiness for the next move. If you overshoot or stumble, reduce speed and repeat the motion slowly to groove mechanics. Once consistent, incrementally add pace. Make sure to check hip rotation and pivot. If pain or swing loss appears, stop, reassess alignment, and drill the chamber to extend sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.